So guys, welcome. If you are new to this channel, please, before you go, do not forget to like, share and subscribe now. As we can see, a quick analysis on our euro pound for the week. Now you can see our price has actually been ranging around this our area here on our 4-hour time frame. We are on a 4-hour time frame and our price has actually been ranging here. So as we can see, our price has actually hit our resistance area. We are waiting for a fall, right? But I also want us to be very careful that there's every possibility our price can push up to hit this our liquidity area upward here. So that's exactly what I want us to watch. There's every possibility that our price can push up to hit our liquidity area here and fall. But above all, I don't think it will happen. I don't believe it will happen because I believe our pound will actually be moving bullish this week, which will be going strong. So any period into it should actually be falling. So I'm still taking here as a ranging market move. But let's see how our price will actually be, we react this week. What it shows us is exactly what we are going to trade. So that is my analysis for this euro pound. We should be aiming to take a short position around there, and if in case it breaks above, then definitely this place should be an area to actually take our short position. So that is it for our euro pound. Thank you.